weeks ago, you could come out here and there wouldn't be a cat to be found at this time of day. Now there's a cat everywhere you look. Y'all guys think I'll ever get this cleaned up? What's the matter? What's the matter, sister? Hey, Wild Bill. What's the matter, Pickle? Let's see. Here's somebody. Corey, somebody's hiding. Someday we're going to clean up. There's another one. You coming with me, meatball? What are you girls doing? Huh? Hi, Sushi. Hi, Bunny. Hi, Bunny. Hello, Dancy Pants. Come here, Dancy Pants. Here, Dancy Pants. You're pretty. You're pretty too, Bunny. You're pretty too, Bunny. Love you guys.